All right, I'm going to go over numbers 9 and 10 on page 165 with you now. This is the last video for lesson 5.1 before you get on to that practice problems on the next page here. All right, a truck traveled a distance of 280 kilometers in 4 hours. Find the speed of the truck. So we've got 280 kilometers, not miles, I almost put miles, and it takes 4 hours. Well, if I divide both of those by 4, I find that it's 70 kilometers in 1 hour, or 70 kilometers per hour is the speed of the truck for number 9. Number 10, a little bit harder, but it shouldn't be too hard for you. A car travels a quarter of a kilometer in a half of a minute. Find the speed of the kilometers per minute. So I've got 1/4 of a kilometer in 1/2 of a minute. And to find the unit of that, I need 1 minute. How do I go from 1/2 to 1/2? Just multiply by 2. And so 1/4 times 2 is 2/4 kilometers in 1 minute. 2/4 is equal to 1/2. So this is 1/2 kilometers per minute, not per hour on that one. All right, good luck on your practice problems.